How to use Steam trading cards. To use Steam trading cards, first of all, you must collect them by playing part and participating on games and use them to craft profile badges. So to earn the trading cards, first of all, you simply have to launch a game that supports trading cards and leave it running. Cards will drop randomly in your inventory over time. You can only earn about half of the game's total card set through playtime. To finish a set, you must upgrade or trade your duplicate cards with friends or simply purchase the remaining cards from the other players on the Steam community market. Then view your card collection and the progress by simply launching the Steam application on your desktop, then hover over the profile name in the top menu bar. Select the badges from the drop-down menu. This page will display a list of games you own that have trading cards and how many drops you have left, as well as your completion progress for each set. And you can use this to craft badge up to level up your account, as well as you can buy or sell cards on community market. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.